August 12th, 2020. I'm Miss O'Grady reporting live with Comet Action News. Welcome to our virtual back-to-school edition. With 2020 bringing lots of unexpected twists and turns, we will bring you up-to-date information from our teachers, experts, and those on the front lines. Thank you for joining us today. We will start with a word from our teachers.
Hi, I'm Melissa.
Hi, I'm Michelle.
And we're excited to have you back. We're the front office ladies. See you soon.
We'll see you Monday. Bye.
Hello, welcome back to Blessed Sacrament. You might remember me as your music teacher from the past year, but this year I am going to be helping out in an area called Student Services. I'm here to serve you and help your school year get off to a great start and stay at a great pace. I can't wait to see you. Hope you had a great summer.
Hello everybody, happy to see you coming in this next week. By the way, if you're a 4th grader through an 8th grader and you'd like to do archery, I still plan on having an archery team, and as of now we can do that. So see you next week.
Hi, Blessed High Sacrament students, welcome back. We've been worried sick about you all summer. Can't wait to see you. Bye.
Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Kruger, your favorite librarian. You won't be coming to the library this year, but I will be coming to your classroom. And you will be able to check out books by filling out a slip and giving it to me, and the book will be delivered to you. I can't wait to see you, and happy reading.
Hi everyone, my name is Mrs. Nienaber, and I can't wait to be your new kindergarten through 8th grade music teacher. See you all soon.
Hi, I'm Alita Buckles, extended care lady, and anxious to be back and to see you all, welcome you all back this year.
Hi, my name is Julia. I can't wait to see you in the lunchroom.
Hi, Blessed Sacrament students. I'm Miss Schmidt, and I'm the art teacher, and I can't wait to see you back this year.
Hi there, my name is Mr. Ullman. I'm the PE teacher here at Blessed Sacrament, and I'm excited to have everybody back this year.
Hi guys, I'm Margie Mahler, Mrs. Mahler. I am your preschool teacher, and I'm super excited to have you guys in class this year, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Hughes. I will be helping out in preschool and somewhere else in school. I don't know yet where I'll be, but I can't wait to see you Monday. See you soon.
Hi guys, it's Miss Gibson, and I am so excited to see you in kindergarten.
Hi, it's Miss Phyla, and I'm so excited to be your 1st grade teacher, and I'll see you soon.
Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Witovic. Welcome to 2nd grade. Hope to see you soon.
Hello 3rd graders, I cannot wait to teach you this year.
Hi guys, it's Miss Reddick. I can't wait to see you and have a fun year in 4th grade.
Hi 5th graders, I'm Mrs. Kern, and I can't wait to teach you, and I'm looking forward to having confirmation this year with you.
Hi, Blessed Sacrament students. I'm Miss O'Grady, and I'll be the new English teacher here. I am so excited to be back in the school and see you all again on Monday.
Hi guys, can't wait to see you. I'm looking forward to Monday. Hope you are. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mr. Hannigan, and I will be teaching junior high math and computer to the 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. I'm super excited to get to see you guys all in a week, so have a good rest of the summer and an awesome school year. Thanks, bye.
Hey, I hope you're all as excited to be back in school as I am. See you Monday.
Hi, Blessed Sacrament, it's Mrs. Rassicott. You might not recognize me with my new do. This year I'll be teaching theology for junior high as well as Spanish for K through 8. I hope to see you soon. Adios.
Yeah.
Such inspiring words. Now we go to Dr. Are You Well, who is the leading expert on Comet Health. Dr. Are You Well, thank you for joining us today.
Oh yes, thank you for having me here today. Health this year will be #1 on everyone's minds as we battle to fight this coronavirus and keep each other safe. My colleagues and I here at Blessed Sacrament Hospital have spent numerous hours coming up with guidelines that we would like you to follow this year. Before you come to school, ask yourself, do you have one of the following? Fever of 100 degrees Fahrenheit or above, onset of shortness of breath or difficulty breathing, new onset of dry cough, new onset of loss of taste or smell? Do you have 2 or more of the following? Chills longer than 2 hours, congestion and or runny nose, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, sore throat, headache, muscle pain? Or have you had contact with someone positive for COVID-19? Contact means longer than 15 minutes, within 6 feet, without a face covering, or residing with someone who is positive. Directed to self-isolate due to a positive COVID-19 result or for having contact with someone with COVID-19? If you answered yes to any of the above questions, do not go to school. Instead, contact your physician or seek medical care. Get tested for COVID-19. Self-isolate and do not go to school until you have been tested for COVID-19 and received a result of negative, or if you have been cleared by a licensed medical professional such as myself. Call or email the school office at 476-6202 or email Melissa Taverdi or Rochelle Oglesby at the addresses on your screen.
Lots of important information. Thank you, Doctor. Now moving on to our next segment, we will hear from Officer Stay in Your Lane about the proper arrival and dismissal procedures to school.
Yes, Miss O'Grady, in all my years on the force, I've never seen a year as unique as this one. So, of course, safety is our top priority. As you enter and exit Blessed Sacrament this year, I will have some new expectations that I sure do expect you to follow. Students arriving before 7:50 a.m. will be sent to extended care and charged for breakfast. All students will wear a face covering at arrival until getting to their homeroom class. Students will enter at 7:50 a.m. using one of two entrances. Grades kindergarten through 5th grade will enter through the main entrance right behind me directly facing Lake Street. Grades 6, 7, and 8 will enter through the northwest door or the extended care door. All late arrivals, will you please use the main entrance? And for your dismissal, pre-K through 2nd grade, you'll dismiss at 3:15 p.m. And those older students, 3rd through 8th grade, you will dismiss 5 minutes later at 3:20 p.m. All students will dismiss wearing a face covering, and all students will you please stand with your grade level?
Thank you, Officer. Now we have with us today Professor Know-It-All, who sure knows it all. She graduated top of her class at Blessed Sacrament School and comes to us with 5 doctorate degrees. She has a couple words to say about the return to school.
Yes, thank you for joining me here today. I am Dr. Know-It-All, the esteemed professor, who is here and ready to answer any and all of your questions about returning to Blessed Sacrament this year. According to my calculations, 100% of your teachers are excited to teach you again. There are some exciting back-to-school things to know. There will be many new faces in the building this year, so be sure to say hello. Miss O'Grady will be teaching junior high English. Mr. Hannigan is our new junior high math teacher. Miss Nienaber is music. Miss Plachek, an assistant cook, yummy. And Father Morin, our new pastor and chief administrative officer. Improvements have also been made to our junior high hallway and K-2 hall bathrooms. Improvements have been made to our wonderful kitchen, and there are some new locations for some of our teachers. Mrs. Cassidy, who is our new student services specialist, is going to be down in the main hallway by the office, as well as Mrs. Rassicott being on the K-2 floor, now teaching junior high religion, as well as what she previously taught with Spanish. Some of your classmates may be joining your class via Zoom. Please give them a very warm welcome. And finally, there will be a new and exciting religious theme for this new school year.
Thank you, Professor Know-It-All. What wisdom. Now we have an important message from our administration.
Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Miller, your principal. I've been working hard all summer getting ready to have you guys back in the building, and I'm super excited to see you on Monday. Can't wait to see you.
Thank you for that wonderful message. Now that wraps us up for today at Blessed Sacrament Action News. Join us tonight at 10 to find out whether or not the school really will be adding a pool made of jello to the roof, or if the slipping slide is actually going to happen. Thank you. Signing off now from Blessed Sacrament Action News, I'm Miss O'Grady.